welcome today and welcome to all new viewers to the Man with the Star channel. If you want to see other teardowns and other reviews, you might think about subscribing. That's a good idea. I'm gonna do a review on this one, but not in this video, in another video where you can see me use it on something and so on. But today we're just gonna do a teardown, and I've already started. I don't really use the flip out stand with the factory made graffiti on there. Yeah, I don't use it, so let's get down to the teardown. Get the condom off there, and let's start with those self-tapping screws in the back there. Click, click. Oh, they fell out of there. Oh, it clicks in to the front, and that's where the battery sits, and it's kind of a springy down there, and yeah, it clicked in, and so if you doing this teardown, watch out for that, or if you just want to change the battery in this thing. So as you can see, spring loaded in there. The battery, a GP cell there, probably new casting, anyway, plastics and so on, or for AVE's videos. I'm just doing the teardown here, and well, very nice, cheaply made. Probably nothing on the other side. Here you can see the shunt resistor, and there you have the varistor, and kind of a strange placement of them there, because right next to each other, but I guess it doesn't matter because they are both supposed to just pass the current and so on if you short the thing out, or if it gets too high. And well, very nice with ceramic fuses there, and yep. If you are disassembling this yourself or something like that, beware that that's a trim pot right there, and not the screw right there to disassemble the thing, because if you adjust the trim pot there, your readings will be off. So, or if you just nudge it also, because sometimes they are really very sensitive. They are very sensitive. So a screw right there. Let's change out to a flat. And we'll pop it out of the plastic. There you go. Nothing really special on the other side, and this screen here is soldered down to the motherboard, if you want to call it that, to the board, and well, it's nothing. Yeah, you can probably see down in there, but it's nothing more than the processor that they have coated over with some epoxy or something like that. So, well, otherwise it's just the standard way of designing a multimeter, and probably the chip there has both the display driver and the it's probably a multimeter chip. So simple as that. And a trim pot, as I said, don't nudge that, you will yeah, anyway, let's see what's under here. A bit lubricated, and just balls and detents to get you that clickety clack action. So there you go. Nothing more exciting about that really. So yeah, that will be it for today there, I think. So now you know how to disassemble this thing if you want to change out the battery or something like that. If you have one of these. If you want to change out the battery, you don't have to really disassemble the whole thing, but anyway. So now you know. Thank you for today.